Hello, brother. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make a productive environment. So, productive environment's an environment that helps you achieve more work. The way it does that is it doesn't stress you out, it's really prepared for you, and it allows you to be focused on the task at hand. So, for example, for me, the next point is social work versus solo work. For me, social work in a cafe, for example, can't be a productive environment. I can't focus in that environment. But for example, I can focus in the environment I'm in currently. For me, this is the perfect environment. My blinds are closed. It's kind of dark. I have a light here, a light there, a light there that just turned off for the recording. They're all colourful. I have candles on incense sticks. I have my water here. I have pens there. That's how I like to work. So the way that I'm going to teach you today is to find the environment that you like to work in, and then to adapt that in a way that you can enact on it. So first point, social work versus solo work. So some people prefer to work socially, so they like to be in big groups. Say for study, you want to go to a cafe with your friends and study. You like the background noise, you like working in a classroom, or other people like me like to work in a quiet environment where they're by themselves, because this is the way I focus better. Now, this is just for you to find out whatever it is and act on it. Now, for me, social situations are a lot more about the fun of it, just the social aspect of it, rather kind of than the accountability and the sharing part of it. Figure it out and then we'll act on it. Just a quick point. If you are a more social person, you can enact less in your environment, like changing it actively, but you can change where you go, like a cafe that's maybe too loud, or a really quiet place, or by a river, or outside, wherever. Socially, you can do that. For solo, I would really recommend, say, your work be done in your room or somewhere in your house, somewhere where you can consistently go and it can just kind of be like a habit. Oh, okay, I sit here to work. I don't sit on my bed ever. I don't sit downstairs. I sit here. Then your brain kind of gets trained to work in that place. So, first point, imagine you have a date. Okay, so imagine, for example, you're in your room, that's the place of your work, and your date is coming in 20 minutes. Okay, so what are you gonna do? You're gonna clean it up, you're gonna make everything look pretty, it's all gonna smell nice, you'll make your bed, you'll clean your desk, you'll have water, everything's gonna be set up like that. Because when the environment has that respect that you have given it, and that care, and everything is nice and it smells nice, and yes, it's for the other person, but also, now that you've made your environment, say you spend the next 10 minutes cleaning it up and preparing it a little bit, the environment is so much nicer. I cannot work properly if my room is a mess. I can't handle it. I know some people can, but I truly recommend that you do this. From my personal experience, on days when my room is a mess, I can't work and I kind of feel a block until I have cleaned my room. It's like, oh, my room is a fucking mess, everything looks horrible, I need to fix it. Then and only then can I enact on it. So, very, very important. Next, make everything ready for the task at hand. So, you know, that's supposed to be a one. Say you're gonna study, have your pens out, have your laptop charged, have the charger plugged in that whenever you want it, you can have it in. Have water with you. Make your desk clean from the previous point. And by clean, I don't mean, wipe it down, everything. I mean, have space that you're gonna study. Okay, I have my laptop here, I can open a book here, I can write notes here. Because if you don't do that and then you just sit there, yeah, I'm fine, and start working, oh, I need to get a pen, oh, I need to get my books out, oh, I need to do this, all those little distractions that take you off task make it really difficult for you to stay focused and get in a flow state. Very, very important. Next, set timers plus goals. What I mean by this is to make a productive work session in your environment feel like a work area, you need to have goals of what you're going to do and you need to have timers. Now, I know this sounds like something that's not part of the environment, but it's very important. For me, for example, right now, I have a Flora timer on for recording. I made the script for the videos as you can see above, and I have a work timer happening. If I didn't have this on, I use Flora, by the way, highly recommend it. if I didn't have this on, I wouldn't be as focused because I haven't set the time in my mind. Okay, I'm gonna work until then. I'm gonna do this task. Do you see what I mean? This is very important. For you, you can set a physical timer, but I do recommend having a productivity app on your phone. There's many of them. I recommend Flora. And goals, having a clear objective set in mind also helps you not drift off task. Especially when you're in a ready environment, it's really easy to bounce around from task to task. Like, I can sit here and be ready and, oh yeah, I'll do my Duolingo now. Oh yeah, I'll do some university work now. No, bouncing task to task leads to very little work actually being done. So before I sat down, I thought, okay, I'll script 6 videos and then I'll record a video. Then I'll take a break, do something else, and then I'll come back and say I'll record 3 videos. That's how your mind has to work. That's how your planning has to be. And once you do that, honestly, your work will be so much better. You'll get so much more done, and you'll feel a lot better about it too. So I really, really hope this helps, brother. Much love.